Hi, welcome to Securing Applications in Node.js. My name is Forbes Lindsay, and I've worked on large-scale React apps at Facebook for 2 years. I've had many years' experience building web applications in Node.js, both hobby projects and commercial projects. I'm also an active open source contributor and the lead maintainer on the Pug templating language, formerly called Jade. I now work on building Node apps at a company called Thread Styling, and I'm excited to share what I've learned about security in Node.js with you. Section 1, the introduction. In this section, we'll look at why web application security is so important. We'll also look at the built-in security in Express. On this course, we'll start by looking at some of the most common vulnerabilities that web applications, and especially Node.js applications, are prone to suffering from. We'll look at cross-site request forgery, cross-site scripting, and SQL injection. We'll cover not only how to prevent these attacks, but how to perform the attacks, as it's important to understand how the attacks work if you're going to stay one step ahead of the bad guys. Next, we'll look at authentication. We'll cover using passwords and build a full flow, including sign up, login, and password reset. We'll also look at passwordless authentication, which presents a modern alternative to passwords. We'll then add support for two-factor authentication, which provides an excellent added layer of security. And then we'll cover using Facebook and Google via OAuth 2 as your login provider, which is a great way to both enhance security and speed up and streamline new user registration. Finally, we'll look at authorization and deployment. We'll cover how to protect your REST APIs and GraphQL APIs so that only the right people get access. We'll then look at how to securely deploy your application to Heroku, making sure all your secret keys are kept safe. Before we get stuck in, there are a few prerequisites for this course. You'll need a computer with a recent version of Node.js installed and running. I used Node version 10 when building the course, but more recent versions than that will probably be fine too. You'll need a good understanding of JavaScript as a language, and it's a good idea to have a basic understanding of the request-response cycle in a Node.js or Express web application. But don't be put off if all that seems a little bit intimidating. I'll do my best to explain everything as I go along. Security in web applications is incredibly important, so thank you for taking an interest in this course. Without any further delay, let's get started.